Good evening, everyone. So, hope you have enjoyed your Sunday. I wanted to share with you one very important aspect of life. We all know that people who are in prison they are suffering a lot. Hmm? But can we say that those who are stuck in the prison of their mind are more suffering than the prisoners? And it's so true that because we are stuck in our mind, we are stuck in the prison of our mind, we are suffering like anything. Now the question is that how I can come out of that prison. So the only aspect which helps me to come out of that particular prison is my wisdom. So what is this wisdom? So we all talk about knowledge. So please understand that knowledge and wisdom are like two different poles, hmm? Two radically opposite poles. Knowledge can make you understand something, but wisdom helps you to uh, fathom the meaning behind what knowledge you have gathered. So, one point which I wanted to share with all of you is wisdom is something which helps me to come out of that prison of my mind, which is the reason of my suffering. Now, what is this wisdom? Wisdom is something which helps me to understand my present situation and gives me the courage to accept it. Hmm? We all know that there are certain things which is not in our control and there are certain things which is in our control. Something which is in my control, I should get the wisdom to take actions to change that particular situation, and courage to accept which is not in my control. Hmm? Also, wisdom is something which helps me to discern between what is right and what is wrong. Say, suppose someone who is very nearest and dearest one died, and I am not accepting the fact that the person had died and no, not there in with me. It is a wisdom which helps me to understand that life is eternal and uh, it is only I am not able to see that person in this existence because that person has gone and everyone has to go one day, right? So why I have touched this particular point, because today uh, our main reason for suffering is the prison of our mind, and through our wisdom we will be able to come out of it, right? So hope my videos are adding value. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening to me. Have a nice evening.